Anyone who's served in the military knows they can count on Pelican to get the gear where it's needed. Well, now we're doing the same thing for small arms with the new 1780 weapons case. The 1780 holds 10 M16s or M4s and also acts as a portable weapons rack. This metal bar can be padlocked and it holds the weapons firmly in place until they're deployed. Plus, it has a rubber face so that weapon stock is protected. A couple of the features of the 1780 weapons case includes a manual purge valve that allows you to equalize the pressure inside and outside the case. There's also a humidity indicator. When this card turns pink, it means that the humidity is above 40% inside the case and it's time to drop in some desiccant gels. The 1780 case is also available in a commercial configuration. The 1780T is for transport, and it uses our standard automatic purge valve that prevents vacuum lock by balancing the internal and external air pressure. The 1780 case has a 50-50 split, and you can order it with or without the pick and pluck foam set. The 1780W, or weapons model, is available in either the 12-weapon hardliner or the 10-weapon foam set. This cutaway shows how the foam set is designed to accommodate various sighting devices for M16 and M4 weapons. The hardliner is a thermal-formed tray that will protect weapons from harsh environments, and it also has stainless steel ball-bearing wheels. That makes the 1780W the fastest to the battle with one-man mobility.